What are they called?
Oh, you can change your club. Bless you.
I'm sorry, I sneezed on
Ooh.
you. Not on you, on them. Sorry.
I think
I sneezed right into the microphone because it's taped to my face.
that should be fine.
I have dad sneeze.
A what?
A dad sneeze.
What does that mean? Wait,
I
a
have
dad
a loud
sneeze?
sneeze.
That wasn't loud.
It was
That was a
loud.
girl sneeze.
It was so loud.
That was grandma sneeze.
Grandma sneeze. But you have the cutest sneeze.
I don't.
You do. You go like achoo.
No, I don't. It's just Discord not picking it up.
No, I've heard you sneeze in person.
When did I sneeze?
Like yesterday.
What? When did I do that?
I heard.
You heard! You were listening to me?
Yes. I heard your sneeze and it was cute.
You could hear me. It must have been loud.
It wasn't. It was quiet.
Well?